Hi everybody. So this video is walking you guys kind of through the week and how to kind of get started in the course. So likely it looks something like this for you, and you have watched the sort of welcome video. You're here now in this sort of week one overview, and this video is going to be right here for you guys. So um, basically, I just wanted to walk you guys through how to kind of get started in the course. There is below you'll see like a Canvas instructional video, that kind of thing. But every week when you come in, you'll see an overview page, and it just kind of gives you a quick rundown of what the week consists of. Nothing in here is clickable, there's no links, but basically you'll see these kind of bold underlined sections are like the different areas of the week. So it might be different authors that you're reading or whatever it might be. So within each, you'll see kind of a list of these lectures or content or reading assignments, as well as the graded assignments, which will be here in yet highlighted in yellow and capitalized. So you'll see that at the beginning of this week, you've done the welcome video. You're doing this now. You'll watch it, kind of a Canvas 101, how to use Canvas video, as well as a welcome video from me. And then you guys are going to do a discussion board to introduce yourself. And then you'll have a syllabus and course calendar video that you watch, an explanation that you read, and then a quiz to go with that. And then below that, you guys will start with this week's first reading assignment, which is Columbus. So each week you'll see a reading assignment kind of consists of a biography for that author. So that could be a video, it could be just a very short little excerpt. A reading assignment, so you'll have some selected letters that you're going to read for Columbus this week. A video lecture to go with that, or some type of lecture. Sometimes it's a PowerPoint, sometimes it's a Prezi, and then an associated graded assignment. So in this case, it is a discussion board. That's a response to the text that you read. And at the bottom, you'll see the objectives and the goals for that week. So if I take you back out here to the week one modules, again, you're kind of follow. You'll see this in the kind of Canvas video, but you'll basically work top to bottom as you go throughout the week. And all instructions are in all caps and left aligned. Anything that's like a page or writing assignment, that's going to be in a hyperlink with a little icon next to it. And again, when you go to this Canvas 101 video, it explains in more in depth of what these different icons mean and what the different assignments are. But basically this week you'll always read your overview. You'll see that again in week 2, week 3, you'll always have an overview, not a video explanation with it, just a quick rundown. And then you'll just follow the instructions throughout the week. So you will read and watch this overview. You'll watch the 2 videos. There is a Canvas 101 video that's in here. So you'll click in, you'll watch that. You'll come back to the modules tab. You do the same thing with kind of a welcome video for myself, just so you know who I am. And then you're going to do a discussion board assignment. So you'll come in, you'll click discussion board, you'll read the prompt, and then you'll click reply and reply to the discussion board. Now, one thing I want to note is that when you do a discussion board for me, you're not required to respond to another student unless it explicitly states it in the prompt. Sometimes it does, but if not, you don't have to respond to other students. You're welcome to with the discussion boards. Just remember that everything you do is in writing, so make sure that it is, respectful discussion. But after that, you'll read and watch this syllabus explanation. So you'll come in, you'll find out we have the syllabus here, the course calendar. Watch that video, and then you'll come back and take this quiz. So you'll come in, you'll just click quiz, and you'll click begin. All quizzes you normally have 1 attempt on. This week, just for the syllabus quiz, you'll actually be able to have 2 attempts if you need it. And then watch this. This is kind of getting us into our first bit here with Columbus, our first assignment, reading assignment. So just kind of a high-level overview of what literary analysis is, the basics. So it's just a walkthrough of kind of all of the essentials. So there's a PowerPoint here that's helpful, and then a video just to give you some foregrounding knowledge. And then you're going to come back and finish up by doing the Columbus section. So you'll read a quick bio. You can just kind of scan it if you want, and then come back and read the reading assignment in the lecture. So I want to point out one thing. Like I said, I will say, you'll see in the syllabus video, I was given the 8th edition for teaching. So the lectures reference the 8th edition numbers, but at the current edition, which was updated maybe a couple of years ago, changed some of the titles or changed some of the page numbers from the assignments. So I have, for every reading assignment, given you the 8th and 9th edition page numbers. If for some reason one is in one and not the other, then I have provided you like a PDF version or a scan of some kind. But you'll see, for example, this first letter is titled, this first letter is titled Letter from Lewis de Santiago regarding the first voyage. And then in the 9th edition, it's just titled Letter of Discovery. So I've given you all that information, and then after you complete the reading assignment, so here you'll see there's 2 reading assignments that start here in Volume A. And Volume A is where you'll spend the first kind of half of the course. You'll come in and you'll watch the associated lecture that goes with it. And then when you come back out, you'll do whatever the associated assignment is. So in this case, it is a discussion board. So you'll come in, you'll write your discussion board over the prompt, and then you'll submit, and that's it for the week. So as always, like I say in the videos, you can actually work ahead if you want. That's kind of the beauty of this course. You have access to all the weeks in the course, so you're welcome to work ahead. Or you can just kind of end for the week and start again next Monday. So that's week 1, and let me know if you have any questions as you work.